The Center for Scientific Exploration and Research is our K through 12 science curriculum. And the reason it's a center of excellence is because the curriculum has been thought through very purposefully. It's a curriculum that's based on not just learning science, but on doing science. We begin working with our youngest students, kindergarten, first grade, second grade, to get them to continue to develop the natural curiosities that they have as they enter our school. We look at that curriculum and we coordinate it very carefully with what goes on in the middle school and the upper school, all the while building upon skills like data collection, asking good questions, testing hypotheses, presenting your data to your classmates, getting into the field, getting into the lab, and exploring the wonderful world of science that's around them and that interacts with every part of their day. The capstone for our Center of Excellence in Science is the Institute for Scientific Research. It is a 2.5-year research program that allows students to delve into questions that they have in a lot more detail than they would be able to in a normal class period or in one of our regular courses at Lake Ridge Academy. Students explore a topic of their choice and do in-depth research in that topic. These topics range from ecological questions to biotechnological questions to behavioral questions. They run the gamut of scientific possibilities. The Institute for Scientific Research really begins with our prerequisite course in the sophomore year called Research Methods. In that class, students learn how to do scientific research. Interestingly, this is really building on what they have learned since they entered Lake Ridge Academy, because doing scientific research is so keenly emphasized throughout our curriculum K through 12. By the end of the sophomore year, students have identified a formal research project that they want to pursue during their junior year. The junior year is really devoted to pursuing that project, doing research in the field, in the lab, and usually involves quite a bit of time commitment on the part of students. Everything does not just fit into a class period during the day, during the school day. Students are busy on weekends, after school, on holidays, pursuing their research.
Being in the Research Institute has given me a lot of opportunities. It's widened my perspectives on the possibility for collegiate research or postgraduate research, and it's really helped me by giving me a focus for my college search by having this research project that I might actually be able to take to the university that I'm going to attend. And this has been really receptive by a lot of the admissions counselors, and it has really given me a strong feeling that I want to do undergraduate research and possibly pursue research as a career.
In addition to the many great things that are happening in labs right here at Lake Ridge Academy, the Institute for Scientific Research has afforded our students an opportunity to work with outside collaborators and mentors. This is an invaluable experience because these people are experts in their field, and our students get to work alongside these experts, seeing how they do science in the real world.
Here on campus, I'm working with different patches of Phragmites and testing the effects of different herbicides on the Phragmites and seeing how that grows up the next year, if that affects the growth of the Phragmites at all. This work has also given me the opportunity to work with Lynn Ickes from Lorain County. She and I are working at the Black River in Lorain to test the effects of different vegetation on Phragmites, so we're testing different types of grass seed and also trees.
The Kemper Science and Engineering Building gives our Institute for Scientific Research expanded lab space and allows our research fellows to conduct ongoing projects. The building also provides a modern chemistry classroom and lab space, a large greenhouse serving K through 12 projects and research, a state-of-the-art engineering lab and makerspace to support our expanding curriculum, and flexible space to host outside speakers and encourage student collaboration as they expand their scientific learning in exciting ways. In the end, the innovative and forward-thinking design of the Kemper Science and Engineering Building, as well as our dedicated faculty and our bright and engaging students, solidifies Lake Ridge Academy's ongoing commitment to excellence in science education.